Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Candy Crush Saga using PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Candy Crush Saga app, or if you've not downloaded the app yet, go and open up your Microsoft Store and get it downloaded to get the application quick. Once you do that, launch open Candy Crush Saga. In the first interface, you'll be able to see this page from where you can directly play the game by clicking the play button. If you want to log into your account, click the gear icon at the bottom left. Now in the pop-up where it says settings, click on My Account. You can go ahead and sign up with an email address or continue with your Facebook account. If you already have a King account, you can click on the login with email button. Into the email address text box, type in a valid email address associated with the King account and enter your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password for your King account, click on Forgot Your Password and follow through the instructions. Finally, after filling in the details, click Login, and you can now log into your account by clicking on this My Account button soon after you open up Candy Crush Saga. You'll end up in your account settings page. From this page, you can update your personal information by clicking Edit. Now, once you are logged in, you can start playing the game, and from now onwards, your game will be saved to your account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.